Welcome to Tennessee Buck Outdoors. Today we're going to do a St. Louis spare rib. St. Louis rib. We're going to do it in the Masterbuilt smoker. And I've already started getting this membrane off. Didn't want you guys to see me struggle getting this bad boy off, which I'm doing. But that's okay. Just try to get all of it off that you can. We'll get it sooner or later. Ain't that what they always say? Alright. I think we did a halfway decent job. Anyway. I need to quit saying that anyway. So what we're going to do is I'm going to cut this bad boy in half, because the smoker, the little smoker, it's the electric smoker, is not going to be able to handle all of it. So let's see, where would be right here, I think. By golly, look at there. Okay, first thing we're going to do, we've already dried it off, is I am going to put some rub on this back side first. And yeah, you'll go through a lot of paper towels. I'm using this Applewood Grill Mate. Like I said, I really like it. I like it a lot. So alright, now we're going to pat it in a little bit. Then we're going to turn it over. And we're going to do it on this side. And be generous with it. Alright. Now I've already got it preset at 225. We're going to smoke these for about 3 hours and bring them out. And yeah, we're going to wrap them for 2 and put them back in for 1. So we're doing the 3-2-1 method. Right now there's nothing really special about what I'm doing. That'll come when we get ready to wrap. So we'll go ahead and transfer them over to the pan here. And we'll take them outside and we'll put them on the smoker. Alright, we're going to put these in the smoker. Let me set these off to the side. What I've done is I have soaked some wood chips. And what I'm using is the cherry. We're putting a little fruit flavor to it. Matter of fact, here we go. I'll put this one on this rock. Now I'm going to add some chips to it. There we go. Now about once an hour, I didn't mention that a while ago, but about once an hour we're going to come back and we're going to spritz it with apple juice. It helps keep some moisture. But we'll also have to watch and keep loading some wood chip for the first 3 hours. After that, you won't need to because you're going to have it in aluminum wrap. So, we'll be back in about an hour to spritz. Alright, been an hour, we're going to go ahead and try to spritz. One down, one to go. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and check the ribs. We're actually going to take them off. And we're going to take them back in the house and we're going to wrap them. Then we'll put them back on the grill. Okay, now we're going to wrap these things. So like a lot of people, what I want to do is I want to add honey. Let me get my wrap sheet out. And drizzle some honey down. Oh yeah. Okay. Next, brown sugar. Now, what's going to happen is, of course, you know, brown sugar, it's going to liquefy, but it's going to keep everything moist. And it's also going to cook into it. All right, now, everybody knows that I like to do kickers. Well, here's my kicker. On this other one, see, I already wrapped one. Now, normally a lot of people would put down margarine, you know, that squirt bottle margarine, or they'll use mustard, and they'll rub the rib with it. What I'm going to use is good old-fashioned JFG mayonnaise. That's right. Good old-fashioned mayonnaise. We'll just brush that on in. Hey, look at there. Okay, we're not through yet. Now, we're going to take it, and we're going to lay it down. Yeah. Then we're going to take some more. And then we're going to rub this one in, or slab it on here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the foil. Notice how I got it right here. And we're going to roll it in. We're going to roll it in tight. And you say, well, why are you doing that for? Because, like I said before, there's going to be a lot of juice in this thing, and when you take it out of the smoker, you don't want all that juice coming out and also on you. So we'll just roll them up. There we go. 1, 2. Now I'm going to take these and put these back on the smoker, and then in 2 hours we'll take them off for the final hour. We'll put a little barbecue sauce on one of them, and we'll see how it looks. There we go. Okay, welcome back. We just got these off. We're going to unwrap, see what they look like. Remember when I said juice? Some juice. Okay, here we go. Yep, told you. We'll take care of that right now. Like I said, it caused a lot of juice. And anything can be cleaned up. We are going to clean that up first. Because everybody knows I don't like a mess. Anyway, we'll come back and do that better. Okay. Here we go. What I'm going to do is just set this one right back over this one. Be right back. Now, let's get this one. Once again, looks pretty good. But we're not done yet. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and set this over here. I'll move this right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some sweet baby rays. A lot of people like to do their own secret barbecue sauce. Some people don't sauce it. But what we're going to do is on this one right here, we're going to put some sauce on it. Yeah, we'll put some on this one too. We'll just put a little dab will do ya. Like dippity-doo. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take these, put them back on the smoker, and then they should be done in about an hour. We'll check to make sure. Well, ribs are done. Of course, you heard a while ago it was raining, had storms, still lightning. That's Tennessee weather for you. But anyway, I need to quit saying that. Ribs are done. We're just going to go ahead and slice it right near the bone. Now that looks great. That's perfect. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. But anyway, St. Louis ribs smoked on a Masterbuilt electric smoker. Nice caramel, good texture, nice and juicy. Pull off the bone. Can't get no better than that. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you like what I do, once again, subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a note. If there's anything I can do different, let me know. We'll see what we can do. But anyway, for Tennessee Buck Outdoors, I'm Jeff. We'll see you later.